Hi, I'm Vic, and today we're introducing you to the game of backgammon. We want to look at how you might win the game by playing a holding game if you happen to roll a very high double. So if you're playing a holding game, you would like to hold a point or 2 points in your opponent's home board. In this case, blue has only one, white's 5 point. And you actually, in a situation like this, blue has a dual game plan. One is blue might be able to get a shot at white, perhaps as white clears white's midpoint. Maybe white is going to be forced to leave a checker there, which blue can hit. Or perhaps blue can get a shot on one of these points. So that's part of your winning strategy. But blue has another strategy too. In the less likely event that blue happens to roll a high double, blue knows that this is a relatively close race. And judging the race is something that comes with experience, and you can also learn how to do a pip count, which will give you a more exact way to do it, where each checker counts the number of points that it's on, and you total up all of the pips that the checkers are on, and see where you are. In other words, these would count 20, these would count 6, these would count 2. You add them all together and you can judge where the race is. What happens in a position like this if blue rolls double sixes? Well, yes, blue can move down here and move a checker in and leave these stranded back there, but that's not a good idea. Here's a situation where a holding game turns into a running game, because blue can take 2 of those double sixes there and 2 more down here, and blue has gone from a position where he or she is 12 pips behind in the race, a pip being the number on a given point, to now being 12 pips ahead in the race. And so in a holding game, you're always looking to move forward, always looking for that opportunity to put yourself ahead and your opponent behind, either by hitting a shot or by rolling a high double, which might put you ahead in the race. Next, we're going to talk about how to bury your checkers into your home board to save a gammon.